Hey, what's up? Glad to see you again on our channel Tech Brothers. In this video, let's talk about the new wireless earbuds from Dudios company. The main feature of these earbuds is large charging case with a capacity of 2600 mAh. The battery life with charging case is about 70 hours. You can use this case to charge not only earbuds but also other devices, such as smartphones. The other features of Dudios Dubuds are 14.2mm drivers, USB-C charging port, IPX4 waterproof, and others. However, the main question, what about sound quality? Let's talk about this and the other in the video. The Dudios Dubuds come in a simple cardboard box. On the sticker we can see the image of earbuds and their main features, such as Bluetooth 5.0 and 2600 mAh capacity. Inside the box there is a small book with charging tips and QR codes to social media accounts of Dudios company, USB-C charging cable, charging case with earbuds inside, and user manual. First impression when I took the charging case into my hands was that it was heavy. The weight of charging case is about 115 grams. The size is also large compared to other earbuds, for example previous Dudios Stick. It is 95 by 55 by 25 mm. On the top of charging case we can see Dudios logo. There are 4 LED lights on the front. On the left side is USB-C port and USB-A port is on the right side. As I already said, you can use the charging case as power bank for your smartphone or other devices. Inside the case there are left and right earbuds. As you can see, the earbuds don't have silicone ear tips. There are 2 charging contacts on the inside. On the bottom we can see microphone hole. The Dudios logo and LED light are on the outside. The touch control button is under the logo. To me, Dudios Dubuds look very similar to Apple AirPods. What do you think? Write in the comments below. The earbuds are very lightweight, unlike charging case. One earbud is only 6 grams. To be honest, I prefer earbuds with silicone ear tips, because they provide better noise isolation. However, the earbuds with semi-in-ear design have their advantages. You don't feel them in the ears. You can use them for a long time and don't feel any discomfort. You know that people use Apple AirPods all the time without taking them off, and they are comfortable, the same way with the Dudios Dubuds. Another important thing is that earbuds do not fall out of the ears. You can run or actively shake your head and they will stay in your ears. By the way, Dudios Dubuds are waterproof by IPX4 standard. They are protected from sweat. As for connection, Dudios Dubuds supports master-slave technology. You can use either earbud or both together. That's great! You just need to take the earbud of charging case, go to Bluetooth settings and choose Dudios Dubuds. The new earbuds from Dudios have all the necessary control functions, such as volume up and down with single tap on the right or left earbud, play-pause the music with double press, and call voice assistant with triple press. Of course, you can take or reject the phone call using earbuds. Before talking about sound quality, I want to tell you about specifications. Dudios Dubuds are equipped with 14.2mm drivers. They also support SBC and AAC audio codecs. Connection to your smartphone is made via Bluetooth 5.0. The maximum range is about 15 meters. I have listened to all kinds of music, and I want to say that I generally like the sound. It's clear even at maximum volume. However, there is no enough bass. By the way, Apple AirPods also doesn't have enough bass. It is a problem with all earbuds with a semi-in-ear design. If you want a real good bass, then you need to look for earbuds with silicone ear tips. Usually they offer the best immersion in music. In general, Dudios Dubuds have similar sound to Apple AirPods, but they cost about 5 times cheaper. The main feature of Dudios Dubuds is charging case with battery capacity of 2600 mAh. The manufacturer promises 70 hours of battery life with charging case. However, the playtime on a single charge is not very long, about 3.5 hours. In addition, the earbuds support fast charging. 10 minutes of charge is enough for 1 hour of listening to music. The charging case of Dudios Dubuds is a small power bank. If you need to charge the smartphone, you can use this charging case. Dudios Dubuds are very interesting TWS earbuds. They cost only $40 on Amazon. The main advantages are comfortable semi-in-ear design, volume control, mono and stereo modes, waterproof, good sound quality and long battery life with charging case. Moreover, you can use the charging case as power bank to charge other devices such as smartphone. However, for me, the earbuds don't have enough bass. Also, playtime on a single charge could be longer than 3.5 hours. Anyway, for $40, Dudios Dubuds are very good earbuds. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.